Hello boys and girls, it's 11 June 2026 anyway, so and I'm just gonna start that there. I'm gonna zoom this, wait, step over here. Let's see if I can zoom this in. Alright, there we go. Oh, come on, there we go. Trying to let you see what hopefully I'm going to unbox. Wait. Okay, one more. You try and do just anyway, you can see that pretty well full screen. It's that color, alright. So now I'm going to zoom this one out. Whoops, well there you go. Zoom in. Whoops, okay, well there it is, full screen. Great. So that's what I'm hoping to unbox, and they don't know if it was working or not, right? So we're gonna zoom out. Oh, well, okay, just there you go, real close. I can't remember how to operate this camera. Alright, so here, let's zoom out, okay, so there it is. Got it from, that's all the way out, okay. Now I'm going to move this down to here and step out of the way, right? Okay, alright, so here we go. Get down to there. That should be about right. Okay, so I'm playing this one right now, but let me start the other one. Okay, so go live. We're live, yay! It's 11 June 2026. What you're looking at is this one screen is a Sanyo MR-V9. Let's see if I can. There we go. That's what I got off of Bayi. Okay. Just gotta stop buying these. That's the last one. I'm not buying any more of these things. So now I'm going to move this down. Alright. Wide out. Right there in front is playing is a Sanyo M7950k. Alright. No, I want to go the other way. Wide out some more. Okay. That should be good enough. Alright, so I'm going to play this. It's plugged in. Alright, so I repaired this a long time ago. This tape, I'm going to play it ever so briefly, just because I have, so we can see that. Alright, so it's playing.
Together, let's drive. Based on new Chevrolet registrations 2023 through 2025.
Sponsored by Orderly Meds, affordable GLP-1. Struggle with weight loss? OrderlyMeds.com/radio offers doctor-guided access to options like semaglutide and tirzepatide, often up to 50% less, delivered to your home. Visit Orderly Meds.
Tape, hit play. And that's at the end of the tape, wrong side. So hit stop, hit eject. Go this way. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay. No, that's stop. Hit play. There we go. Alright, so that works. You might tape. Unplug it that, alright, and then move this back here. Now we have a gray one. This is a MR-V9. This has Dolby, not shortwave. I didn't point that out. Well, here. See, this has a tuning for the shortwave. This has, instead of that, has a Dolby button for Dolby, alright, but no shortwave. I don't care about shortwave. Oh, drat. Oh, I forgot. Here I am live and all that. Okay, I need a power supply. Let me go get one. Alright. Oh, great. So we need a brick power supply. Need to untangle the cord like usual. Oh, let's see. Well, let's put that there and fiddle with. See, I run these on batteries. I don't necessarily plug these wall wart things onto them. So get that out, come on. And then get this out of here. I would have done this, I thought I checked this beforehand. So the American model, the 7950k, takes a regular plug, whereas, oh, I need a power plug. Okay, let's get down to it. Okay, so we need to unplug that. Plug this in, right? Plug that in. Then plug this in. There we go. Put it on radio.
Bởi vì lá phiếu của quý vị là rất là quan trọng, thì Kinh Long khuyến khích quý vị nhớ đi bỏ phiếu ủng hộ bà này. Tại bà này á, bà là ngày xưa làm, bà đang.
So that works. Hit play. What's wrong now? Wait. Okay, this is probably one I need to record because none of these buttons work. Don't know why that is. Maybe it's something I forgot to repair. Well, this is a great one. I can't press. I can press that. None of these are pressed. Why is that? Okay, well, I hear the motor running. Ah, okay, so the motor's running, so I need to put this to the side. Okay, so the radio works. This one needs a belt. Put this down here on the floor. Alright, so here's another gray one. Did I repair this one? I can't remember. Let's see, you turn on radio.
Dollars to invest in certain key technologies and capabilities, from semiconductors to energy to rare earths, and we're working on it this fall. And
So that does that. It's playing. I have it on tape. Well,
Social security and economic.
so
Optimistic about.
So the switch is bad. Well, well, that one works, but the switch is the switch needs to be held. Whatever. Okay. So then what's next? Let's put this one over here. There's a red one. Okay. Power cord. And hit radio.
Aquí se viene Sudáfrica, nos estamos acercando al primer cuarto porque habrá momento de hidratación.
You know what tastes even better? That survived the evening rush, Medella. That post-12-hour shift, Medella. That fought for every rebound, Medella. That just clocked out on a Friday, Medella. That Medella.
I don't know what tape this is or why it's been in there. I don't remember. Just found the tape. Okay, so. Okay, so now that I've revisited all these machines, I have to fix that one, this one, that one, that one. That works. The red one works, and these two have issues. Anyway, so like I said at the beginning, I have a this gold colored one, which they didn't test, but it was very pretty. And so let's put this over here. Alright, so now let's unbox this thing and see. I guess I can put that back here. This up over the way and just get this great big box. Alright, great big box. I mean, it's just really, it's a little loose inside, but it's alright. So let's open this up. Oh God. So, see me, yeah, you can see that. Alright, so that. This arrived today. Alright, so. Alright, and then we've got a whole lot of bubble wrap in here. I guess I couldn't find a box short enough. Oops. Right, so get this up here, not up there, not there. Get this. Okay. Check this out of the room. Okay. All right. So now we got more bubble wrap. All right. Well, that's nice. They put tape, it looks like, on top of the controls or something. I see, it's not tape on top of the controls, it's a different tape. Okay, so okay, so they package like I do. Can't spare the bubble wrap, right? Okay, so there's that in that box. All right. So now, where's my power cord? It's starts here. Okay, so oh God. Okay. Let me give you up close personal look at this thing. Looks like that. It's like that. This. It's that. This here. This is very pretty in the listing, so and it's right there like that. Okay, you see this? Anyway, so it's very pretty. Let's see if it works. I'm guessing that cassette player don't work. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Here we go. I heard it click.
I'm going to send Molly in there with Lindley.
The hose of Modelo.
Hose of Modelo to fill up the whole stadium.
If you're just now joining us, Justin's dog put his hose in
Water hose.
Water hose. Yes,
Yeah,
water
yeah,
hose
yeah.
into the house last night.
I will have a bunch of women at my back.
The hose that he has.
So she is now, been finally busted on her stupid little crime spree, and is even getting called out by some of the managers because they are asking why she would steal something so stupid and saying it's not worth going to jail.
Fine. Well, it wants to work, and I'm well, let's try it. So, rewinds, forwards. Let's try play. Oh wow. Well, okay, the belt needs to be a tighter belt because the music search won't work. Let's see, let's hit stop. Uh-oh. Okay, well, needs a newer belt in there, but it does play. It'll stop. It'll rewind. Well, no, needs a newer belt. Takes two belts, and the third one for the counter. All right, very good. Very clean, works really well. Just needs belts replaced. The other one, one of these needs a belt. One of those needs a belt, and the other one needs something. All right, so I'm happy. And I'm not buying any more. As you can see, I have 5 of these. 3 of the V9, 4 of the V9s, and 1 of the 7950k, of which I will sell. I'll probably keep this gold one because it's the prettiest of all, but the red one works perfectly as well. It just, anyway. So there we have it. Okay. So I'll get this up here for my picture. Okay, get that. Get this. Say goodbye to the YouTube people. Alright, YouTube people. So, yep, there it is, all that. I'll just take a little hit. Oh, here. Again, this is what I was trying to show you that I saw anyway. Okay, so much for that. Okay. And then we got what? There's that. We got these here. This is in the bedroom. This is just the bedroom stuff. And we got, for live, anybody here watching me? Who's that? We can't see us. Anyway, good view of that. Got those. All this stuff. Alright. Still have the M50 for sale. I want to make a video about that one soon. Okay, so thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Thanks. Bye-bye.